I'm going to show you the #1 thing you need to do to stop bloating so you can have a nice flat stomach. So your intestines are like a big balloon, they're like a big accordion, and at the drop of a hat, your brain can tell your intestinal muscles, your intestines are lined with muscles, to expand or contract. Now, when it's contracted and working normal, it's nice and small and you have a nice flat stomach, but something is causing all the muscles to expand and take up room in your body and then make you bloated and uncomfortable. Now, there's a few things that can cause this. One is excess gas. When our gut is inflamed, it can't absorb gas as well. Stuff doesn't get digested as well, and the gas, you're farting more. But when that fart can't get out, when that gas can't get out, it gets trapped in the intestines and it expands. And we feel very uncomfortable and it doesn't feel good. So the question is, why are all the muscles in your body functioning just fine except for your intestinal muscles? Why did all these muscles, this was discovered by doctors, why did all these muscles expand and then the rectum is clamped shut? It's clamped shut. These muscles are clamped shut like this, and all these are open. So this is caused by a certain type of stress. And it's, what is something I'm fearful, sad, and depressed that I cannot absorb and hold on to? Sometimes somebody just lost their job and they're very worried about money, or somebody's very sad about losing their partner or losing a friend. They want to hold on to them, but they can't. So until someone gets that conflict under control or changes their perception around that conflict, their gut is going to react to that situation. So I have a free instant webinar where I show you everything that I did to get my gut symptoms under control. Link is in the bio.